Hello students. Till now we have seen various properties of acid and base. We have also seen the neutralization reaction in which the acid reacted with base to form a salt. Now I am sure most of us must be imagining the salt towards as a white crystal which we use to prepare the food. Now, these white crystals are common salt or which we can call sodium chloride. Now, limiting understanding to sodium chloride only as a salt is wrong. There are various of salt which we use in daily life. Now, we know the sodium chloride is used in preparing of food. We will be seeing sodium chloride in detail. Now, sodium chloride is formed by the combination of NaOH, which is called sodium hydroxide, and HCl, hydrochloric acid. We get common salt from seawater. Seawater has deposited other salt also. So, sodium chloride needs to be separated out from it. Now, there are very deposited of these solid salts are found in several parts of world. These are large. These large crystals are brown color due to impurities. These are also called rock crystal. मतलब जो लार्ज क्रिस्टल्स ब्राउन कलर के आपको मिलते हैं उनका कलर ब्राउन क्यों होता है ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ impurities. Now, common salt is actually a raw material of many of other materials that we use in daily life. All are need to do experiment and extract the material such as sodium hydroxide, bleaching powder, washing soda, baking soda and many more. Let us see how one substance is used for making all these different substances. देखिए कॉमन सॉल्ट रॉ मटेरियल है किसके किसके लिए बहुत सारे डेली लाइफ में यूज होने वाले सब्सटेंस के लिए हम इस कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट के थ्रू अदर जो यूजफुल हमारे मटेरियल्स हैं उनको हम कॉमन सॉल्ट से कैसे प्राप्त करते हैं ये हम यहाँ पे देखेंगे. To do this, we have to make a solution of sodium chloride, which is called as a brine. Electricity pass through it. Now these will be decomposition reaction in it, which will separate out sodium hydroxide, chlorine and H2. Among the products, we have seen sodium hydroxide, which is an alkali, and chlorine are formed. So this process is called chlor-alkali process because the product formed chlor for chlorine and alkali for sodium hydroxide. देखिए बेटा यहाँ पे हम ब्राइन सॉल्यूशन बनाते हैं. ब्राइन सॉल्यूशन मीन्स यहाँ पे हम NaCl सॉल्ट को मॉइस्ट करेंगे. ठीक है, मॉइस्ट पार्ट लेंगे और उस ब्राइन सॉल्यूशन से हम सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड को प्राप्त करेंगे. जैसे मैंने पहले ही बताया आपको कि जो NaCl है आपका सोडियम क्लोराइड वो एक सॉल्ट होते हुए भी बहुत सारे ऐसे मटेरियल्स हमारे डेली लाइफ में जिसको हम सॉल्ट से प्राप्त करते हैं. तो आपका जो NaCl है जब हम मॉइस्ट NaCl को लेंगे और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी थ्रू कराएंगे उसका इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस कराएंगे तो हमें NaOH मिलेगा और उसके साथ में हमें क्लोरीन गैस एंड हाइड्रोजन गैस भी मिलेगी. आपको पता है इसे क्लोर एल्कली प्रोसेस क्यों कहते हैं? क्योंकि जो प्रोडक्ट है प्रोडक्ट इज बेस एंड क्लोरीन. बेस मतलब NaOH हमें मिल रहा है और Cl2 मिल रहा है. नमक और वाटर का सॉल्यूशन और उसका इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस कर देने पे हमें क्या मिलता है? NaOH. तो ये क्या था? इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस ऑफ NaCl. नाउ chlorine gets deposited at anode and H2 is deposited at the cathode. Sodium hydroxide get deposited near the cathode. All the three products produced in this process are all useful. डीपर व्यू ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस। यहाँ पे हम थोड़ा सा ब्रीफ में समझेंगे इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस में कि हो क्या रहा है। एट अ कैथोड H2O molecule get electrolyzed in H plus and OH negative ion. These H plus ion combine together and get out of cathode in form of H2 gas. At a anode, NaCl gets electrolyzed in form of Na plus and Cl negative ion. These Cl negative ion combine together and get out of anode in form of Cl2 gas. Remaining Na plus from anode and OH negative from cathode combine together to form NaOH near cathode. Like H2 is used in margarine fuel and manufacturing of ammonia, which is essential component for fertilizer. Now chlorine is used in making of disinfectant pesticides CFC. It is also used in water treatment plant and cleansing of swimming pool. Now sodium hydroxide is used in degreasing of metal, soap, detergent, paper making and manufacturing of fabrics. Now sodium hydroxide and chlorine combine together to form a bleaching powder, which act as cleansing agent of fabrics and household. Now hydrogen and chlorine combine to form hydrochloric acid, which are used for cleansing of steels and used for making a cosmetics, medicines and ammonium chloride. Now we can mix these three products with the other substance to make other useful salt. We will be seeing these salt.